Today we're going to be reviewing a Shopify store that does over $2.7 million a week. What's happening, guys? We're reviewing today for the weekly store breakdown Fashion Nova. It was submitted by one of the subscribers here. And Fashion Nova does about $2.7 million a week. And we're going to review that today. I'm going to talk about what they're doing well. We're going to look at their social media profiles, their store, their product page layouts. And let's hop right in. Alright, here we go. So we have, again, if you guys are new to this is the weekly store breakdown. I'm going to be breaking down a store every week. And we're going to go over their revenue numbers, the products that are selling best in their store, their niche, their store layout, all that kind of good stuff. So we are in Commerce Inspector right now. This is just it's an app that you can pay for monthly. It's also a Chrome extension. And basically what it does is you can see all these sales numbers and products that are selling, as well as the apps that stores are using. But it's very expensive. So it can be, I'm on a $500 a month plan. And if you guys want to pay that much, you can. But it's pretty expensive. So that's why I'm doing these store breakdowns for you. So today, again, we're doing Fashion Nova right here. As you can see, they're doing about estimated $2.8 million a week. And again, these are just estimated revenue numbers. They're not exact down to the exact dollar, but they're close enough. I've run them on my own store, and they're close enough where you can make, reviews off of it. So let's hop right into their store here. I have it open in this tab here, and let's just take a look at what they're doing. So pretty similar to the Kylie Jenner type of store layout that we saw in last week's weekly store breakdown. They have a nice big image here with looks like a big promotion going on right now for reaching 11 million Instagram followers. So we'll check out their Instagram page after this. But let's just verify their numbers here again. So about $2.7 million, 115,000 estimated units sold. And let's take a look at their sales. Let's see their best-selling products too. It's best-selling products, a lot of jeans, jumpsuits, dress, hooded jacket. So, I mean, it's pretty obvious. They sell women's clothing. It looks like probably in the 20 to late 30 age range. And you can see they're selling a lot of variety of different stuff. But they got their glistening jeans. Let's check this out, actually. Different tab. Glistening jeans. Nothing special. Looks like just the ripped jeans that people are used to paying hundreds of dollars for. That torn look. Just get every color. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's check out their homepage before we jump around. But they have a navigation up here with just the different product categories that they have. All standard stuff. They got their best sellers. Shop Instagram. This is interesting. Let's take a look at this later. But they got their promo here. They have a scarcity timer countdown. I'm guessing this corresponds with their Instagram 11 million follower 30 to 80% off site-wide promo. They have collections here, different tops, new arrivals, curves. So pretty standard. If you look at any other fashion store or any other like cosmetic store, they all have this very similar, clean, really branded looking layout. And it's very similar to Sephora, Kylie Jenner store, ColourPop. We'll probably review the ColourPop store next week. They also have, I like that they have their Instagram feed down here as well. It kind of blends in with their products. So it doesn't look like it's all just selling stuff, but it has people wearing their products, I'm guessing, here too. Alright, so let's look at some of their product pages here. Let's jump back into the glistening jeans. So they have product details. I like that it's already extended. Some stores have it like this where you have to click to open it. I don't like that because I feel like the product details should already be jumping out at you. I like that it's called glistening jeans and not just like black ripped jeans. The glistening word kind of gives it some personality, right? It's not just like ripped jeans or torn jeans or something. It gives it some personality, gives it some, pizzazz. And let's take a look at their product description. You look torn, just get every color. Our glistening jeans are destroyed in all the right places. Featuring the high-waisted 5-pocket design, these jeans will flatter your every move. So I like what they're doing here. They're kind of mixing features with benefits, right? So they're saying, they're giving you all the features, right? So it's high-waisted, has 5-pocket designs, but they also tell you the benefits, right? So these jeans will flatter your every move. So women want to look sexy, women want to look good, right? So they're already putting that out in the open. They're not just talking about colors or the features of the jean itself. They're talking about what you're gonna look like basically when you're wearing them. So shipping information, that's good. They have that on the page. I have this on all of my product pages as well, all the shipping information. So there's complete transparency, especially with drop shipping items, you wanna have that. And they have another feature breakdown. So like the product specifications broken down for you here, like that. They have the colors here. They have a scarcity timer here. Again, this is probably for that Instagram 11 million sale where everything's 30 to 80% off. And they have a few trust badges here. So fast shipping, easy returns, 24/7 customer service, and expect your items quick, right? Now, let's see. What do I not like about this? Overall, this is a really good product page. There's a few things I didn't like about Kylie Jenner's product page that we reviewed last week because she had like too many links to different collections down here. But it looks like she just has some suggested add-ons here, which is some other similar products. Like a lot of women will buy more than one pair of jeans, right? So they might buy one of these, and down here it's just suggesting more jeans, right? So that's fine. That's fine by me. That's, you know, I have a related products tab like this in my stores, and let's take a look at here. I like the reviews here as well. Very nice. Trust factor, very, very big for conversions. No image. I would probably have some, especially since it's fashion, I would add the LOOX Looks app, which basically allows you to have like more image reviews, right? So people can submit reviews just like this with stars and text and all that stuff, but it would have a picture of them wearing it, right? And why is that powerful? Because people, you know, they connect more with imagery, right? When you can see something being used, see something in action, see something being worn, it's a lot more powerful than just reading text, right? So that's something I would change. I'd probably add the Looks app here, but they already have a lot of reviews, so I'm sure that, you know, they can definitely boost conversions by adding that there. So overall, very nice product page. I like it. It's not it's not too distracting. Like there's not like tons of different places that click you off site. I'm kind of indifferent about this styled on Instagram. I might put this at the bottom below this, the suggested add-ons, but you know, that's just being nitpicky. But overall, very nice product page. So earlier we clicked on this, shop Instagram. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at where this leads us. Shop our Instagram. Interesting, I've never seen this before. So let's just click on one of these. Shop the look. So I'm kind of confused here. It says, let's see, it says, click a photo to shop. Interesting. So I'm not really sure what they're doing here, but at first I thought like it was gonna lead me to an Instagram checkout, like how Facebook has its own checkout, but it just leads you to another page on the store. So whatever, it must be something internal that they're doing. I'm not really sure, but let's take a look at their actual Instagram page here and their Facebook page. So I'm gonna open these in different tabs. Ooh, they have a YouTube page too, or a YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what they're doing there. Let's see. Looks like just women wearing their stuff. Check on it. Search checking you out. Check your dress. Everything at fashionnova.com. Okay, pretty standard fashion type Instagram. They're just let's see. They're doing a mix of quotes and, you know, powerful imagery, maybe MLK stuff with their promotions, 30 to 80% off, and then also just their actual products being used, right? Which is, again, also always a powerful feature or powerful thing to have on your social media profiles, because it's like a demonstration, right? So for fashion specifically, it's very powerful because they're wearing the product, right? And women want to see how it looks when it's being worn. Okay, let's take a look at their Facebook here. See one of their videos. Interesting. When was this posted? April 2nd. Okay, there's a few reasons why I like what they're doing with this video. They're being very on top of current events and current trends, because what is coming up in April? It's Coachella, right? And Coachella is a festival. It's a big festival in California. I'm actually going to be there. If any of you guys are going to be there, come and say what's up. But what they're doing is, look at what they're doing here. This is exactly what Coachella looks like, right? So I'm guessing they're going to have some kind of promotion or some kind of marketing campaign that targets people going to Coachella, right? And it looks like that's what they're doing here with the type of products they're wearing, right? It's very Coachella-ish, and the background of the video is in like the venue, like it looks like the venue of Coachella, the festival. So I like what they're doing there with that. I don't want to log in here. Scroll down. Got some influencer power here with Kourtney Kardashian and her boyfriend here. Let's see what else they got. So pretty standard. A lot of the same stuff on their Instagram page is on their Facebook page, it looks like. But I really like that video. If I were them, I would make a campaign right now, because Coachella's in about a week and a half. I would get this pumping out there right now. But let's take a look at their YouTube. So it doesn't look like they're working too much on their YouTube, but I like that they at least got something going. Festival must-haves. So they did this last year too. Sweet. So same thing, right? Around April 17th last year, which is Coachella last year, they did the exact same thing. They had like summer festival must-have fashion wear, right? And they created a video for it. So I like that they're doing that, especially with fashion. I think that's super important because the trends are always changing. But that is Fashion Nova, guys. That is our weekly store breakdown this week. Let's take a look one more time at their actual revenue numbers. So $2.7 million, about $10.8 million a month. And they're selling all kinds of women's fashion, trendy women's fashion, jeans, jumpsuits, hoodies, tops, that kind of stuff for younger women, it looks like. And you know, overall, I'd give it a 9 out of 10, maybe a 10 out of 10 for what they're doing, because they're pretty on top of it, and their marketing team looks like they know what they're doing. So hope you guys like that, and I'll see you next week. All right, so that was Fashion Nova. Pretty awesome store. And if you guys found value in this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see a store being reviewed of your own, or one that you've been looking at, maybe a competitor, maybe one that's just really popular and you want to see their sales numbers, make sure you comment down below. Just post their store link and I'll review it in one of the coming weeks. So hope you guys like this, and I'll see you in the next video.